Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Mohammed Shahzad. Today we are going to make a greeting card cover for the Valentine Day with the lovebirds or pigeons. For that we need glue, round dia, cooling tool and some strips. First of all friends, we will start from the pigeon's body. For that we need two strips, 150 mm and 150 mm strip, 297 and 297 mm strip of white color that we have to exit the 25 mm round dia. Put the glue at the end and press from the one side of the round. That can make the body of a pigeon. The next step, we have to make the tail. This is female tail and that one the male tail. I will make one sample for that. The rest of I will already made. And we have to put 150 mm strip in 12 mm round dia and press from the one side, same like shape of petal or leaf we made before. The other tail 150 mm, same strategy, same size of round dia. Put the glue at the end and press from the both side to for the male pigeon. And now friends, we have to make the face of pigeon. We need 150 mm 297 mm white strip and 75 mm black strip. We have to make it tight roll. The black one is showing the eye of the pigeon or lovebird. The white one, the face showing. Now we have to make the bit of the pigeon. For that we need 75 mm round strip. We have to extend it with the 7 mm round dia. Press from the one corner, put the glue and make it like this. Now we have to make the shape, heart shape. For that we use two colors, red and yellow. 150 mm I take the yellow strip and make it tight roll and put in the 12 mm round dia and press from the one corner and make the shape. One side we have to put the glue. I already make the one before and make the joint. The heart shape is easy. The last few videos related to the Valentine's Day, I show there how to make the different size of hearts. So friends, this one I already make. I already made 3 steps for the tail. Same like this you have to do. And I already make the other male pigeon. For that we have to take 3 tails and the heart shapes and the crystal heart we already have. So let's get started friends, to put the stuff on the paper. So friends, we got our stuff. So let's get started. Let's put the stuff on the paper. We have to put the hearts on the top side, same like yellow on top of the red, and the white heart, the crystal one, I will put in the middle. So finally friends, we complete our Valentine's Day greeting card cover. If you like a video, please comment below the video, share the video and like the video. So and press the bell icon that can you find below the video. Until next video friends, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz and keep supporting our channel. Allah Hafiz.